Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the autoplay option for your Facebook videos. If you open the Facebook application but your videos are not playing automatically, then you can change that by tapping on this menu button in the top right corner of the screen. And we now have to go our Facebook settings. Expand this settings and privacy section and tap on this settings. Once we open the settings in our Facebook application, in order to find and enable the autoplay option, we will have to find that media section and click on it. But if you have an older version of the Facebook app, the option is going to be called photos and videos or something like that. That's where the autoplay option is going to be. And we can select if we want our videos to start autoplaying when we are on Wi-Fi only, on Wi-Fi and mobile data, and we have couple more options. So select any of the first two options and your videos will now start autoplaying when you open the Facebook mobile app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.